the one of the video of the countryside roads where there is half of the UK death was caused in 2017 government strategies. Then the thing, do you have the ability to drive on these roads and show the examiner that you have got the skills, confidence, knowledge, information, and skills to drive. And this is not just that you go local roads and 30 minutes, 40 minutes you drive and then you say, oh, I didn't get the license. They know that you have to have all the skills that a road like this and countryside, and probably you're aware or not, but in government strategy it says that in 2015 and latest 2017 half of the UK death was caused on rural roads. So you have to understand that you have to have the full confidence to drive the car, and safety is a must. Just see these roads. Can you see the markings? You people are always worried about the markings and all that. This is both way traffic coming on this road. So do they have this here? No. But your understanding has to be something similar. Do you want to add on something for the learners, Mrs. Moore?
Yeah, so can you see there's no street lighting, no road markings, so it's all common sense, and safety is the key element here. Obviously it's a higher speed road because there's no residents around here, but you've got to use your common sense, have full control over your vehicle, and like Mr. Butler said, that the amount of deaths that are caused on rural roads, because a lot of people
And
don't
as I say,
understand.
when you have got the confidence to drive on these roads, obviously you will enjoy these roads. You will love it. But you've got to have that sort of skills that you can enjoy. Otherwise, you will be stressed and nervous and hesitant and full of pressure driver that you know want to throw away the keys when you get back home. So see to it. It's a nice, lovely drive on these roads that you come across, and you have to be ready for your action reaction. And yes, see all these roads, they are sometimes very narrow and sometimes good, sometimes wide. But enjoy the scene and the drive. See who is giving me way, meeting traffic, oncoming traffic. They've stopped nicely.
Turn left. Then your destination will be on the right.
So who has a priority here? Obviously oncoming car, but there's nobody. So we can drive on this lane too. Well, most of you learn, even though this road was empty, you push, you hook the car, shave the car on left hand side. You don't keep the enough gap. Lovely ride, scenery, enjoy.
See, we just come onto a 40 road.
Of course, yes, 40 road.
Again, you drive with common sense. If there was an oncoming vehicle, a larger vehicle,
Yeah.
obviously you wouldn't do that, you know. Where you can, you would. Looking well ahead, I don't think you can see in the camera, we're approaching the national speed limit.
Oh yes. And
Does
the
it
national
mean that
speed
we'll be
limit,
doing
when you
that?
see
Or-
these signs, you'll see it on 3 different occasions. One of them you'll see on this road, similar sign means 60, single carriageway. Same sign you will see it on dual carriageway when both roads are apart, something is dividing in between, and that's a 70, and then national speed limit in this country is 70, that you got to have these 3 signs. Again, most of the learners, they won't be able to tell this, and you can have the information, understanding and knowledge, and you can enjoy coming to the countrysides like ourselves. We're going into a farm today to get some honey and wood and the
Eggs.
desi eggs. We're going to enter into a farm, and you'll see to it, and then we will restart a new video. should give way to the oncoming car unless they tell me to go, which they haven't, and I'll go in my own pace. And one of our friends' farm, we're going into it to buy some thing for our things, and he's there waiting. See, tomato, potato, wood, honey, and all those things. Right, guys, enjoy.